Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 8 at 29 Mort Street in Rivervale. This quality home boasts high ceilings in the bedrooms, raked in the living areas, timber floors, plush stone benchtops, and a generous sized balcony as well. And we have secure parking. And we're only 2 minutes away from public transport to the city and the airport as well. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 8 at 29 Mort Street in Rivervale. As you can see, it's not the standard apartment at all, plus the premium location as well. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.